Which home pizza maker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 machines that can turn your kitchen into a pizzeria. Product number 1, Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus. First up is the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus. At just $49.99, this eye-catching red electric grill caught my attention for its versatility. If you want to whip up a variety of tasty meals quickly, this is worth a serious look. This machine allows you to make not just pizza, but also quesadillas, pancakes, and even giant cookies. With its 1440W heating power, it bakes a 12-inch pizza in no time, saving you from the hassle of preheating a traditional oven. The non-stick surface means cleanup is a breeze, which is a huge win if you love being creative in the kitchen without the mess. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 8,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, people rave about how easy it is to use and how quickly it cooks. But I'll be real with you, some users mention that it can sometimes undercook the center of thicker crusts. Now here's the thing though, if you stick to standard pizza bases, that's rarely an issue. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen or have kids who want to join in on the fun. Skip this one if you're looking for a hardcore pizza oven experience, but for the price, it's a fantastic starter option. Product number 2, Pizzano 12 Electric Pizza Oven. Next up is the Pizzano Electric Pizza Oven, priced at $90.98. This sleek black oven really caught my eye with its impressive heating capabilities. If you crave that crispy, pizzeria-style crust at home, this one is a must-consider. What's exciting is it heats up to 800 degrees F and cooks a pizza in under 6 minutes. That's a game changer for weeknight dinners. The dual heat controls allow you to adjust the top and bottom elements separately, ensuring an even bake without that dreaded soggy middle. The natural ceramic pizza stone pulls moisture away from your crust, giving you a perfect crunch. With a 4.2-star rating from 4,000 reviewers, it's clear that this oven delivers. However, some buyers did find the size to be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the reality though. If you're serious about your pizza and have the counter space, it's totally worth it. This is great for anyone who loves hosting pizza nights or wants a quick, reliable solution for making pies. Skip this if you're limited on space but want restaurant-quality pizza at home. This is your answer. Product number 3, Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. Now let's talk about the Chefman Everything Maker, which you can snag for just $39.95. This countertop gem stood out to me because it's not just a pizza maker, it does it all. If you're looking for an affordable, multifunctional option, this is worth checking out. This machine can cook pizza, omelets, crepes, and even pancakes. Plus, it has non-stick cooking plates, making cleanup quick and easy. The dual indicator lights let you know when it's preheated, so there's no guessing involved. With an average rating of 4.4 stars from 1,600 users, it's clear many find it useful. However, some people noted that it can take a bit longer to cook thicker items. But honestly, if you're not in a rush and want versatility, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for those who want an all-in-one cooking device without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you want a dedicated pizza oven, but for its price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 4, Pizzano XL14 Electric Pizza Oven. The Pizzano XL Electric Pizza Oven is next on our list, priced at $129.99. This machine caught my attention with its larger size and impressive features. If you want to whip up bigger pizzas for the family, this one is definitely worth a look. The natural ceramic stone ensures even baking and a crispy crust, which is crucial for pizza lovers. Plus, the adjustable heat control gives you full command over your cooking, so you can get that perfect bake every time. With a 4.2-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it's a solid choice. But a few users mentioned it may take up more counter space than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your pizza and have room to spare, the size is worth it for the larger pizzas and overall performance. This is perfect for families or anyone who loves hosting pizza parties. Skip this if counter space is a concern, But if you want a powerful, large oven, this is a fantastic investment. Product number 5, Chefman Everything Maker Midnight. Finally, we have another version of the Chefman Everything Maker, this one in a stylish midnight color, also priced at $49.99. It's the same great multifunctional design that caught my eye before. If you want a stylish, budget-friendly option, this one's worth considering. Like its counterpart, this model can whip up pizza, quesadillas, and more. Cleanup is easy thanks to the non-stick surface, and it even has indicator lights to simplify your cooking. It has a solid 4.4-star rating, but some users reported it can struggle with thicker items. Honestly, if you're sticking to pizzas and simpler meals, this shouldn't really be an issue. This is perfect for those looking for a compact, budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality. Skip this if you need specialized pizza features, but for casual cooking, it's a great choice. To wrap things up, we've covered the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, the Piazzano 12 Electric Pizza Oven, the Chefman Everything Maker, the Piazzano XL, and another Chefman Everything Maker. Each has its unique strengths, whether it's versatility, size, or performance. Consider what matters most to you when choosing and happy pizza making.